Hello and welcome to another update video about oil. We're talking about UK oil, Brent Crude oil, CFDs. Market has opened again. We're entering a new trading week. We want to talk about again the situation here on the chart and that we hit my long-term support area that has been defined basically like whatever 11 months ago or so. So we've reached this area now, which is so relevant for this current wave 2 correction. I want to talk in this video about my primary expectation, what I do expect next, and when do I actually think, what is the signal that we need that the overall downtrend here can be considered complete. So first of all, let's take a look again at the higher level scenario. My view is we moved up in wave 1 of the March 2020 or April 2020 lows to this high in 2022 in March, and this was wave 1. We're currently coming down in wave 2. My wave count consists of a WXY pattern in this wave 2, and I am expecting ideally the price to head a little bit lower, and that is just because when I measure the target, if I look at the wave W, if I go to the high of the X wave, the ideal target takes me sort of into the region. One second, I just didn't do that correctly. So the ideal target would be here, the 1.618 extension, because the 1-to-1 ratio is already done. So the 1.618 extension would be ideal around $59.44. That would be ideal. Of course, there's never a guarantee we get there. In fact, we need to be ready that it's turning around at any point now, because we reached the 50% retracement, and looking at the higher level in terms of Fibonacci retracements, this is the first level where a wave 2 would normally react to very substantially. However, have we seen any bullish reaction? Not yet. So the expectation is actually for heading lower, unless we really see now a strong reaction to the upside. In the micro here, or looking at the micro count, if we look at this WXY pattern, I assume this was an A wave, this here is a B wave, and we're coming down in C. The C wave is a 5-wave structure. So we can currently count here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It doesn't need to go any lower. It could now turn around. Yeah. What is unclear at the moment is how much longer does this entire wave C of Y extend out. I just gave you a key support area. I mean, this wave 5 could become an extended wave 5. No problem at all. Yeah. It's just that at any moment in time now, we need to expect a reversal here. And then the reversal will tell us, is this just a relief rally or already the breakout? It depends on the structure, which will then be evolving. Yeah. At the moment, we just need to be ready. At any moment, this could turn around. In this support area, I gave you the more detailed support. Yeah. I mean, what can happen if we break the current low, which is at $76? I think the first support will be the channel support, so we most likely come down to the $70 region and could bounce from there. If we see a bounce now, I wouldn't be surprised either, because this is the 50% retracement. This is the level that we reached now, that we've been waiting for like the last 11 months, right? So we are there. And why do I expect we turn around? Well, first of all, we've got 5 waves down complete. So what this could become is maybe this is just the first wave of the 5th wave. There will be a wave 2 of the wave 5, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 of the wave C. Yeah, because eventually we need 5 waves down, either these 5 waves or a larger 5-wave pattern. Absolutely possible. I mean, this support area stretches down to around $42, the 78.6% retracement of wave 1. Yeah, so we need to monitor the price now closely, and this is now the time that will get most difficult, I can tell you that, because so far the situation was quite clear. It's a little bit like cryptocurrencies, where for me, from December until June, it was quite clear we go lower. Now, my expectation is still we go lower, but we're getting into a situation where the trend can change every day, right? And every low could be the last one. Same situation here. Now that we have reached and fulfilled the higher degree scenario and pattern, we need to be watching for lows very, very closely. It's not the time to exit the market here, it's the time to watch it closely and wait for a reversal signal. But why do I also expect here very shortly some kind of a reversal? Well, look at the daily chart. We are massively oversold. Well, maybe not massively, but last 2 times when we came down to exactly this level at around 27 on the daily RSI, we did reverse significantly. Here, yeah, this was where we put a wave 4 low in, that was back in November 21, and we rallied from around $65 to 137. Not suggesting this will happen definitely again, but here we have another example. This was not such a substantial rally, but here we moved up from where were we, $64 to 86, which is significant as well, right? But we were also that low, and here we had a similar level on the RSI, and here we did move up from where we first made a lower low, but a bullish divergence, but then we moved up from $35 to, well, yeah, well, you know where it ended, right? Up there. So oversold now, and that's where we can expect at some point here a reversal. The 4-day chart isn't that much oversold yet, so yeah, it could possibly go a little bit lower. That's why I gave you the idea that we could certainly hit the channel support, but at the latest then I would expect a reversal. Not necessarily a bullish reversal. The market needs to show us that, and I primarily still expect lower until the market proves that we are reversing. But it could just be a relief rally, okay? When do I believe that the low is in? Well, what we need always with Elliott wave is that we need a 5-wave structure, 5-wave move to the upside. As soon as I see the first impulse to the upside, I'll let you know, absolutely. But in terms of price levels and trigger points, I mean, a break of the descending channel to the upside would already be a first signal that things are churning, and then a break above the B wave high at $99 would be a very, very strong signal that things are turning around and that we are actually in a wave 3 to the upside, which could take us way above $200 US. Okay, but bear in mind that can take years, yeah. Okay, and that's my update about oil. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.